Fix Battlefield 2042 FPS drops and stuttering issues on Windows PC. 1. Enable Windows Game Mode. 2. Disable overlays. 2.1 Discord. Path, cogwheel icon game overlay. 2.2 Twitch. Path, settings in game overlay. 3. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updated in this video guide. 4. Enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling in graphics settings. Then add BF2042.exe into graphics settings. Notes: 1. You may enable high performance for your BFB game. Like this. 2. You may locate that exe file via Steam's Browse Local Files option. 5. Cache at c/user/username/document/battlefield 2042 or document for the game. 6. Tweak in-game settings. See details below. Future frame rendering, off. Vertical sync, off.